say. Every day I'm gonna wash my hands.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. A local area emergency has been issued for the following counties or areas: Northeast Texas. There have been multiple reports of people suddenly dropping dead. The cause of this is unknown. It is also unknown how this could be stopped. At this time, refrain from anything that can kill. Updates will be transmitted on news television channels and radio stations as soon as more information is found. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Northeast Texas. Mass panic and looting has been reported. And in isolated cases, riots, shootings, and fires have broken out, especially in heavily populated areas. This is occurring due to an ongoing phenomenon in the region in which people drop dead for no reason whatsoever. Police forces are being deployed to put the situation under control. At this time, citizens, especially ones in heavily populated areas, are advised to close, lock, and barricade all doors and windows in your home. If you have a weapon, use it to defend yourself in the event someone breaks into your home. As for the phenomenon, it is still unknown what can be done to prevent yourself from being affected. Stay tuned for more information.
Hanky panky, hola babadi, babadi, hanky panky, 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 panky.